Everybody knows the cost of groceries is crazy, but what is more insanely priced is the cost of MRE supplies. I just looked this up. A 90-day supply for one person, $600. This is about a 60-day supply for two people. We roughly priced it, it's about $130. Now you got to ask yourself, if this was a bucket of MREs and you had it for 10 years, would you eat it? Probably not. Everything here in the buckets we will consume 100%, and we will save the most amount of money possible. I'll give you a quick overview of some of the stuff in the buckets here. So probably one of the most important things for a lot of people, beer. It's not the greatest beer here, but beer is beer. There's 22 cans. Got some 2 liters of soda. Got those for 99 cents. When they're on sale, I normally drink the cans, but when the cans aren't on sale, we've got the 2 liters as a backup. In the back here, we've got coffee pods. We normally use the coffee grounds, but in a pinch, if the coffee's not on sale, we'll revert back to the pods. This is the breakfast bucket. It's got some Quaker oats in there. Also some oatmeal here. A little Hungry Jack package there on the side. This bucket's full of ramen. There's 40 packets in here, and we just caught a sale where we got the ramen for 9 cents a packet. Got a 20-pound bag of rice. This is a little too big to put up in the cupboard. These are normally about $16, $17 for this 20-pound bag. We got it at 50% off on sale. This bucket here, we've got 4 cans of tomato sauce. Also on the bottom, there are 4 jars of peanut butter. Here we've got assorted pasta. There's numerous boxes of pasta in here. This is all food that's going to last a really long time here in the, if not years, in the buckets. Same thing, instant meals. Probably about 10 packets of this mac and cheese. Everybody likes the mac and cheese. This is our camping bucket. It's got a little mini lantern in it, a lighter, a life straw in case you need to purify some water, some tea candles, some spare garbage bags. We'll probably add things like, some spare batteries to this. Some of these items are really useful because we just went through a power outage where the power was out for 18 hours. The buckets here are from kitty litter. This is something that you might otherwise just throw away. We normally buy by the bag, but we caught a sale where it was just about the same price to get it in a bucket, so these essentially cost nothing. Now, we don't have a pantry per se, but what we do have is space alongside the dryer and the washer, and also a shelf above. 6 of the buckets fit on the side of the dryer. It still gives us easy access to the accessories on the wall there. 4 buckets across the top. Everything is neatly labeled. That way we know exactly what's in each bucket. Makes it very handy. We keep some of the other assorted drinks in the garage. Namely though, we got 8 cases of water here. I put painter's tape on most of the cases so we've got bugs going in there. The points from shopping we accumulate, and all these cases of water here we've got for absolutely no cost whatsoever. I'm officially a doomsday prepper. Everything we've selected to go into these buckets will last for years, but we'll go through it and every 6 months to a year, swap all those items out, put different items in. The cost compared to MREs is about 1/10 the price, and we will consume 100% of everything we put in the buckets. You never know, the proverbial shit might hit the fan and you might need to bug out. We're just going to grab our kitty litter buckets, load them in the car, and go. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. My video wouldn't be complete without a quick word from the sponsor cats.